Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a Wise digital card in store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To do that, you have to simply add the Wise card to your digital wallet of your phone. It will differ according to device. If you're iOS, then Apple Pay, and if you're Android, then Google Pay. Now from over here, once you open your Wise app, tap on this option of card. Then you will find your card right over here, and as soon as you see that card at the bottom, you will find this option of add to Apple Wallet as well, as I mentioned before. Like in the before, you will find this option of add to Google Pay, and for this you have option of add to Apple Wallet. Now tap on it, and now this is how the interface gonna look like. All you gotta do is once tap on add to Apple Pay, this is how the interface gonna look like. You can see name on top and your card number. Tap on next on top right again. Now tap on this option of agree at the bottom right. Now tap on use as default card, tap on it. And now when you visit a store and then you have got your some stuff, and then you go to checkout section, and now when it's time to pay your card, you're gonna simply open up your wallet. Your card will be right over there. You can pay with passcode, or you can simply tap and pay as well. That is basically how you'll be able to use digital card in store likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.